You're watching the BigCatDerek YouTube channel. Walk around the compound, see some big cats, lions and tigers and Peets. Yeah!
Okay. I'm gonna try something. Gotta get my reference spot. Yeah, right about there. I have to figure out where I need to stand. Right here, I think. Dolly. Dolly. Mew. 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 Hello. Hello. Look at you. Oh, you know, some folks will say, you don't show Dolly and YOLO and Zilla Man. So, trying to be better about that. So, quit complaining about it. I'm doing this for you. They're cleaning Raven right now. There you go. YOLO. Dolly, you gotta turn around so people can actually see you. You gotta turn around so people can see you. Lift your chest. Makes your chest scratch like that. Thanks, great. There we go. There we go. Godzilla's in the thing over there. Hi. Okay. Hello all you big cat lovers out there. It's me, Derek again. Schmutz. Welcome to another super duper fantastic episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. Let's do this. Right now it is 11 o'clock in the AM. It's a bit breezy. It's warm. Probably low mid 90s, something like that. Like a 93, 94. Dry heat. Breeze is nice. Shade is fine. So, not that bad. Not that bad. No, he is in emo mode right now. Maybe I like to talk about the weather because I like to sit there and preempt people also on, hey, this is the type of cast that we're probably going to have based on the external conditions, based on what's happening out in the compound right now. Or maybe it's just because I just need to fill time with something. And why not just fill it up with weather? I don't even know if you can see her. Can you see her? I should be upgrading my device relatively soon. Relatively soon. I should be upgrading the device. I'm going to be going for that Note 10 Plus. Note 10 Plus. Plus. Oh, I can't wait. The capabilities. The things that it can do with the camera. Very excited. I'm very excited. Kitty cats. Man, there's just like not. It's like ghost town around here. It is ghost town around here. Should probably be the name of the cast. Ghost town. Well, you know, ever since the chicken mine dried up, just no more prospectors. All that's left are the bummers and the dregs. Hi, Vivi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I see another cat over there. Naya's over there. And this is Shaanti right here. Hi, hello. No, she's not coming. Nice. Hydration is very important. Hydration. It's got electrolytes. It's got what plants need, crave. I don't know. I don't know what the line is. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Can we go for the hat trick? The moo trick? Slime moo trick. Moo trick. Peek trick. Ah, good enough. That counts. That counts. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You gonna join the Area 51 raid? Solano, are you gonna Naruto run? Are you gonna Naruto run towards Area 51? I could see him doing that. Oh. And then, like, before the run would start, Solano would be like, "Forgive me, master, but I must go all out, just this once." And then the, you know, like the perimeter guard would be like, "Huh, you only made me use 15% of my power. Impressive." Just, oh. Ren! Oh my gosh, look how squishy you are. Look how squishy you are. Okay, I kind of screwed this up last time. Hopefully I got a better shot. Maybe if I just move over here. Maybe if I move back over here. Last time I tried to do this. Yeah. Kept the lens a little bit wider. Well, sorry. I'm looking around to like try to find, like, is there anywhere that I can try to get a good shot? Increase the likelihood of me getting a good shot. Got to see Drew this morning. Drove in. Oh my gosh. 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 Hi. Hello. Yeah. Oh, tickle Peets. Tickle Peets, tickle Peets. In between the Peets? Ooh. In between the toes. Look at that. Yeah. She's like, what about this one? Okay, I'll get that one later. I'll get that one later. I'll get that one later. Now, this one. Sometimes you can have opinions about Peets. Times, yeah. He says, no thank you. Oh, look how fresh that pool is. I wonder how long that's gonna last. Just get a good look at it now. Okay? Before he like gets up, goes in it, lays in the sand after, like, so his body's gonna be wet. Get back in the pool, turn it into coffee, turn it into mocha, coffee and cream, and coffee talk. I was watching a Vanity Fair thing with Penn Jillette, and he was just talking about different magic stuff, answering people's general magic questions from Twitter. And it was a good video. And he talked about how they were on SNL back in the 80s, and they were doing this thing where they were hanging upside down. And you could tell, of course, if you were in the studio, that they were hanging upside down because, I mean, you could see the whole apparatus. But the way that the camera was zoomed in was like basically like they were at a table, and it was like from here on up. So they were doing things, and of course, the camera was like flipped around, so it looks like they're just sitting at a desk when actually they're being suspended, held upside down. So it looks like they're able to do magic tricks when actually it's just gravity. It's very funny. Very funny. But he's talking about that. And then after that Vanity Fair thing, and I'm just like, well, let me go see that. And then I looked it up, and then I was able to see it. And it's really interesting just how you can do that. It's like still, I mean, of course we've had the capability of being able to do that. Just find stuff for over 10 years now, you know, since smartphones really have kind of come into proliferation. There's literally someone driving by meowing. They're just meowing. It's fine. They're whistling. They're like, that's not that bird. There's a different person. They're whistling and meowing. That's fine. Look at this. Capture. Oh my gosh. Tail from a pillow. But yeah, you can hear about something and be like, oh, well, let me just look that up. And then, oh, there it is. Whereas before, I mean, just anything, information, stuff, like, what is this, or things, or that? Oh, you'd have to go You know, instead of looking up something on maps, you'd have to find an atlas. What's another word for this? And then you have to get, does anyone have a thesaurus? Oh, hey, my buddy Jeff lives across town. He actually has a full set of Encyclopedia Britannicas. I mean, except he doesn't have M. He lost M. So if you want to know about Manchuria, you're out of luck. But he's got all the rest of them. You know, it's just crazy. And people, like, the younger folks, which is interesting because it's like now we're not just getting into like, kids, but it's like, no, young adults, like people who are, like, they're grown up, they're graduating college, they're entering into the workforce. Like a lot of them don't have a frame of reference for what it was like before. And the only reason I even brought up that whole Pendulette thing, hi Zizi, Zizi, was just because I said coffee. And then coffee talk reminded me of that SNL skit. And then, oh, SNL, Pendulette. I just watched that thing. You know, your brain kind of makes those connections, right? Right? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? I might try to give you some boxes later. Film it in that one style. You know, where I was going to get the ice. People seem to like that video because it was a little bit more kind of YouTubey, which actually I had a lot of fun making. And Melissa was able to, I don't know where Mika is. Oh my gosh. I never knew it. Raven's a brony. Raven, how could you? How could you? How could you? How could you be a fan of Rainbow Dash and not Twilight Sparkle? How could you? I thought I knew you. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is ridiculous. Who sent this? Who sent this? Oh my gosh. Which, someone come get their brony. Oh my gosh. We have all these different people and they're sending in these bedspreads for Raven, and it's been so fun. It's been awesome and we love you so much. And this is, you know, no exception. It's in the realm of fantastic and awesome. So, fully expecting that one to be like, yeah, you know, a 47-year-old guy named Carl. Which, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. That's fine. Oh my gosh. Do you want to eat Bubs? Do you want to eat Bubs? Des is over there. She's hosing Bubs off. And Zizi seems to be wanting to eat Bubs. Oh my gosh. Bubbles. Bubbles. Here, stay here. Stay. Bubbles. Bubs. Bubs. Nope. Nope. Stay with your... You gotta stay with your aunt. Yes. I know. I know. Des had to... She had to go inside. Oh my gosh. And Cassie's in there being squeaky. We'll go and see Cassie here in just a little bit. But Des, she does work with Bubs out in the compound, which is really important. You know, that he gets used to like following commands and knowing like areas that's good to be in and not be in and stuff like that. It's actually important. So she's teaching him how to be a compound dog. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at Alex. Look at our brand new intern supervisor slash just got done with her internship, Alex. She's a carekeeper. Sass. What's happening with Sass? Are you guys like just cleaning out like her lockdown? It would appear that that's the thing that they're doing. What are you doing?
Whoops. Hey.
Guess. You want to know? You want to eat? Can I please eat that? Can I please eat that dog? Hi, baby. Hi, sugar pie.
Good boy.
Hi, baby. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's nice.
You're not Danny?
And he's going to take his kill up. That's great. That's pretty great. Hi. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, Derek. Haven't seen Mika. She's got to be around here somewhere. She wasn't in like the center part of the. Oh, there she is. I see her. I see her over here in a nice little shady spot. Nice little shady spot. Nice little shady spot. Hello. Hi. Meek, meek. Meek, meek. 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 Wait. I remember that, oh gosh, the movie Dragonheart with Dennis Quaid, where Sean Connery like voiced the Draco, and they had that one thing where they were trying to scam kind of that Celtic barbarian clan of people, and they started looking at Draco, and they were like, meat, meat, meat. So yeah, meek, meek, meek. Yeah, right. Relatively subdued cast, but I think that it, I think it works. I think it works. I think we were able to do it successfully. And, yeah. Go ahead and sign off. Thanks for watching this episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. Hashtag Dorbest Award in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for all of your big cat goodness. If you want to learn more about the facility around you, as you're kind of going around in the filmosphere, you can always go to carerescuetexas.com for more information. If you want to check out extra content, you can always go to my Patreon, link in the video description below. And yeah, we will talk at you folks later. Let's go ahead. There's Peezer, there's Jake. Let's go ahead and end it on Mr. Jake. Hi. Hi. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch, big stretch, big stretch. All right. Well, thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.